The Data Scientist Roadmap 2025, your ticket to the future. Imagine you're at the helm of a spaceship, navigating through the vast galaxy of data. Your mission? To explore, analyze, and transform raw information into actionable insights. Sounds exciting, right? Well, this isn't sci fi, it's the career of a data scientist in 2025. And today I'm giving you the ultimate roadmap to get there. Step 1: Master the basics. You need to speak the language of data fluently. That means becoming proficient in Python and R, two programming languages every data scientist swears by. Don't forget SQL, your secret weapon for handling databases. Step 2: Sharpen your math skills. Think of statistics, linear algebra, and calculus as your Jedi training. They power the algorithms that make data science possible. Without them, you're just guessing. Step 3: Dive into machine learning and artificial intelligence. These are the engines driving industries forward, from healthcare to entertainment. Learn frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch to create models that predict, classify, and optimize. Step 4: Embrace data storytelling. Your insights are meaningless if no one understands them. Master visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI and learn to simplify complex ideas into compelling narratives. Finally, step 5: Stay adaptable. The field evolves faster than a trending meme. Keep an eye on advancements in big data, cloud computing, and emerging tools. Being a lifelong learner is not optional, it's your survival kit. And here's the twist: by 2025, data scientists won't just be analyzing, they'll be shaping the very questions industries are asking. You won't just follow the roadmap, you'll help redraw it. Got questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to rewatch if you missed any part.